Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will demonstrate how you can automate pet grooming appointments on WhatsApp. And in this video, basically I will show you a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created, and with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I can just sit and relax while it helps my customer to book their pet grooming appointments for themselves. Now to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send it any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on our behalf. Now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Now as we are on my screen, so without any delay, I will show you the real-time example of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate my pet grooming appointment business. Now I will open my WhatsApp account, and in this chat, I will just send this keyword hello. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and it will send me a welcome message inside my chat. So here I have received this welcome message. Hello dear, welcome to Fluffy Glow Grooming where pets leave looking awesome. How can I assist you today? Now as I want to get services for myself, so that's why I will click on this button, view services. Then we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me a list of all the services that this particular grooming house have. So here I have also received my list. Now I will open this list from here. And in here you can see we have got these 4 different type of services to select from. So as I want nail trimming for my pet, so I will select this particular service and I will send it inside this chat. Next you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me another message. Here I have received this message, Possum Choice. That's one of our most loved services. Would you like to go ahead and book an appointment for your furry friend? So as I want to book appointment, so I will click on this yes book now button. And here I have received this another message. Perfect, please select your preferred date and time for the grooming appointment. Here I have to enter the date and time to book an appointment for myself. So I will enter here tomorrow at 11 a.m. and I will send it inside this chat. Next we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me another question. What is your pet's adorable name? So here I will enter the name of my pet, Max, and I will send it inside this chat. Next, this bot is asking me for the breed of my pet, so I will enter here this Indian and I will also send this inside my chat. So here this bot is asking me for my full name, so in here I will enter this name and I will send it inside this chat. And after my name, this bot is asking me for my contact number, so here I will also enter my contact number inside this chat, and then we will see that what next question this WhatsApp chatbot will ask me. So here I have received this concluding message. Your grooming appointment is confirmed with Fluffy Glow Grooming. We can't wait to pamper Max and make them shine. And here I have received the location, and I have also received the number which I can call to talk to this particular grooming house. So you just saw how easy it was for me with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot to book a pet grooming appointment for my pet. So this was the demo of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, first of all, I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you just have to open this new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And by pressing this enter key, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here, you can see we have got these 2 different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to click on this sign in button. And for your information, let me tell you that by creating a free account at Pabbly Chatflow, you can avail 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new customer. Now being an existing user, I will click on this sign in button. After that, I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed finally on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to click on this add WhatsApp number button to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, you just have to click on this flows, and from here select this flows. Now inside this flows you can see this is the flow builder page, and in here these are the bots that I have created for myself. Now to create a new bot, I just have to click on this add flow button. But before that, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing and inspiring community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now I will head back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and in here I will click on this add flow button to start creating a chatbot for myself. Next you will see that this particular trigger button is visible in front of me. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. But before working on this trigger, I would like to give a meaningful name to my chatbot as this automate pet grooming appointments via WhatsApp. And after that we will work on our trigger step. So inside this trigger step we have to select the trigger event with the help of which I want to kickstart my WhatsApp chatbot. So for that I will just click on this drop down of trigger event, and here this is the list of all the trigger events. So from here I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event, because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this particular box. So to enter a keyword here, you just have to type down that word and press this enter button. Here your keyword will get added successfully. Now I will add one more keyword. This is start, and again I will press this enter button. You can see my keyword has got added successfully. Now for this enter regex box, you can see this regex stands for regular expression, which is a universal code with the help of which we can extract some keywords from a paragraph. But you can see as for my trigger event, I have selected this keyword or regex match, which means that I can kickstart my chatbot either with the help of this keyword or with the help of this regex. So as we have already entered keyword inside this box, so that's why I will skip this regex for now, and I will move towards my next action step. So for my first action step, I want to send a welcome message to my customer. So for that, from this messages features here, I will just drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular welcome message for my customer, where you can see I have entered this particular text: welcome to Fluffy Glow Grooming, where pets leave looking awesome. Now just below this particular text, I will add this button for my customer to interact with me, and in here I will enter this text view services so that my customer can click on this button, and after that I want to send them a list. So first of all, I will connect both of these following circles like this to make sure that this text button follows the keyword set by my customer. And now we will work on our next action step. So as I want to send a list to my customers of all the services inside my grooming house, so I will just drag in this list from here and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter this header, body and footer of my list. So here I have entered this header, body and footer inside my list. Now to add a section inside my list, I will just click on this add section button. After that, first of all, I will give a name to this particular section as this available services, and inside this section I will add 4 different type of items for my customer to select from, and in those 4 items I will add 4 different type of services for my customer. So to add an item, I just have to click on this add items button. Now inside this enter title box, I will enter this particular title for my customer, bath and groom, and inside this description box I will enter the description about this particular service. So here I have successfully entered this item inside my section. Now just like this, I will add 3 more items inside my section. So for that, I just have to click on this add items button 3 times, as I want to add 4 different items inside my list. But if you want to add more items, then for that also you can add as many items and as many sections inside this list as per your choice. Now I will quickly enter the title and descriptions inside these items, and then we will move further. So here I have entered all the items inside my list. The first item that I have added is this bath and groom. Second service is this nail trimming. Third service is this haircut, and last service is this spa package. Now I want that whenever my customer selects any of these services for themselves, I want to store the selection made by them. So that can be made possible with the help of this particular set custom field. So I will drag it in here and I will drop it. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will click on this contact custom field drop down, and from here I will select this particular custom field service which I have created to store the service selected by my customer. And inside this enter value, I just have to copy this text from here and paste it like this. So here I have created this particular custom field for this service bath and groom. Now whenever my customer will select the service for them, then automatically this WhatsApp chatbot will remember the selection made by them, and later by just applying a $sign in front of this particular custom field, I can map the selection made by my customer. So just like this, I will quickly add these contact custom fields to each of my remaining options. So here I have added all the contact custom fields for my services. Now I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. So before leaving this window, I will click on this save button to save the flow that we have created here. Otherwise this flow will get lost. Now as our flow is updated successfully, so I will go on the settings, and from here I will select this contact custom field, and in here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So to create a new contact custom field, I just have to click on this button, and here first of all I have to give a name to my contact custom field and then press this save button. Then you will see that our contact custom field is saved successfully. Now I can access this custom field inside my flows. So I will open the flow in which I am working. So this is my flow, and in here when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, you can see this test contact custom field has been created successfully. Now I can select this custom field if I want to. So just like this, you can create a contact custom field for yourself. Now for my next action step, I will just drag in this text button as I want to send a message to my customer, and inside this enter message box I will enter this particular text. Now just below this text I will add these two different buttons for my customer to select from. Now inside this first button I will enter this text yes book now, and inside this second button I will enter this text show services again. Now after connecting all of these following circles with this particular text button, I will connect this show services again button with this particular list so that my customer can directly click on this button. After that he will automatically get directed on this particular list. So here I have connected this button with this list. Now we will work on this button yes book now. So if my customer clicks on this button yes book now, then I want to ask them some personal questions. So for that from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will enter the first question which I want to ask to my customer. So here I have added this question for my customer where I am asking them to select their preferred date and time. That's why for this contact custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field date and time that I have created to store the date and time given by my customer. And inside this format, I will select it as any. Now as I want to ask 4 more questions from my customer, so for that I will just drag in this ask question button. I will just duplicate this particular question for 4 times. You can see 2, 3 and at last this 4. Now as I want to ask 4 continuous questions from my customer, so that's why I will enter the text inside each of my questions one by one. So inside this first question I will enter the text where I'm asking my customer for their pet's name. So that's why inside this contact custom field I will select this particular pet name custom field, and inside this format I will select it as text. Now just like this I will quickly fill up my remaining question buttons. So here I have successfully added the questions inside my question buttons, and with this I have also selected their respective contact custom field and their respective format. And for this enter number box here you can see this 0 has been entered, and inside this box I can enter retry items to my customer if I want to, but I skip this for now. Now I will frame my final button, the concluding message for my customer. So for that from this messages features I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles. Inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text where you can see I have used this $sign and this pet name custom field so that I can map the pet name given by my customer. So here I have also added this phone number and this location of my clinic. So with this, I have successfully completed this creation. Now I will just click on this save button because otherwise this WhatsApp chatbot will not work as we expect it to. Now as our flow is updated successfully, this means that I just have to go on my WhatsApp account, and here to test this WhatsApp chatbot, I will again send this keyword hello. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will reply me instantly with a welcome message. So here I have again received my welcome message. Now I just have to interact with this WhatsApp chatbot if I want to book this service for myself. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to clone this flow, then for you I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video so that you can automate your business right on. And that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.